Hola mis amores, how's everybody doing? How are the Ofra Beauties? Welcome back to Ofra's YouTube channel now, girl. You see that the mug is already halfway on, and that is because today we are here to play with the eyes. Today we're here to create with the eyes, and we're here to create with a brand new Glitch 2000! Look at how pretty and just even the packaging. Like, oh my god. Look at that packaging. She really is the dance party. So here we have the brand new Glitch 2000. Let's have a little pop in. You heard that whistle, no? Oh my god. So here we have an all shimmer palette. I know. So this is the sister to the original Glitch palette, but this is Glitch 2000. She was created, she was inspired from when I was born. This is from back in the day, so we have to do it justice. Because girl, I may have been 1 year old when this era happened, but it was a legendary era. So today I'm gonna show you guys how we can create a little 2000s moment with the Glitch palette and how I like to use my shimmers in the eyes. Here we have the Glitch 2000, and she is so cute. She is a buttery. Look at the shade Chill Pill. Oh! We're gonna be doing Chill Pill and Bling, so let's tap into Bling. And look at that color. Look at that. Ooh! She's pretty. So girl, and you guys know swatches are cute, but they don't fully do the eyeshadow justice. So my eyes are naked. We are ready to paint. We're gonna be doing a very simple look that I've seen a lot on Instagram, this eye shape, and I feel like it looks really difficult to do, but it's actually very easy. So we're gonna be doing that shade today. We're gonna be playing with shimmer, and you guys know I love me a little bit of shimmer. We're gonna start off with going in with the Ofra eye primer, and I'm just throwing this right here on the eye. We're gonna be digging in straight into the eyeshadow. So I'm taking an Ofra Pro 11 brush, which is just a regular flat brush. Just tapping into the shade Chill Pill, and I'm just gonna pop her and create this really cute shape in the eye. I don't know how to explain the shape, we just have to do it. So we're gonna start right here. And as you guys can see, it instantly just straight pigment, you know? And then you literally just wanna drag it out. So as you guys can see, I kind of have a rough shape out, so I'm gonna go in and add more. You don't have to make it quite as dramatic as I do. You know, you don't have to do the most. I just like a very shaped out wing. I'm literally just going to flip the brush because I'm blending, and we're gonna go ahead and tap into the shade Bling right here, which is this very beautiful, just shimmer. Like, I really would use this as a highlight, and I feel like I am going to in the future. And I'm just gonna pack that in the center. And do you see how that's starting to create dimension? Now it looks very basic, but we're gonna do something now with one of my favorite Ofra products that's gonna spice it up. But as you guys can see, the eyeshadows are so buttery, which is literally what I wanted to show, that it's true to pan. So we have this very beautiful purple shade right here. And girl, look at that. We're gonna do a cute little swatch for you guys right next to Chill Pill. Like, look at how gorgeous. Alright, so since it is spring and this look is very neutral right now, I want to go ahead and pop in with one of my favorite Ofra products that I feel like it's not talked about enough, which is their Fixline gel liner. So here we have the Fixliner in the shade Yellow Submarine. They are so good. They're so pigmented, they're so buttery, and they complement with any little product. It's just a pop of color, literally. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna outline it very softly. It's very easy. You just have to have a very steady hand, and it'll just take your look. So all you need is 2 eyeshadows and a little liner, and you'll see what you look like. I always put it in my hands, you know. She's a painter, and I literally just like to apply just a little bit. I like to take it out of there and warm it up in my hand. So now we're just gonna trace what we had. You guys saw that? Literally just one swipe and it was like boom, good morning. And now I'm just gonna hit the same black liner. So the same Fixline gel liner in the shade Black, and we're gonna go ahead and do our inner corner really quick. I wanna make it nice and dark so it stands out. And with my Ofra 18 brush, my angled brush, and just do a little line right here, just so that I can have somewhere for my lashes to sit. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this eye off camera, and you know we're missing highlight and lips. So girl, stick around for that because you know we love a good highlight. So if you guys wanna see about that glow, if you guys wanna hear about that glow, then girl, just stick around, stick around. lash. Just a little lash. Now let's throw on. Now, girl, I'm gonna let y'all know what highlighter we're gonna throw on. Rodeo Drive. Now we're gonna go ahead and use the itty bitty mini. Look at the mini, it's so cute. You guys just know that the Ofra fan brush and just, do I need to say any, like, it speaks for itself. Like, it just speaks for itself when I tell you that she delivers. Fan brush just diffuses my highlight so beautifully and makes it look like it is coming from the skin, which is why I prefer sometimes using fan brushes, because it can give you that within glow. Like, literally look at this cheekbone versus that cheekbone. Like, come on, Miss Rodeo. Alrighty, guys, and for lips, oh my god, for lips, I want to do a cute little mini. We're gonna be doing the liquid lipstick in the shade Aspen. Oh my god, look at that nude. Ofra's nudes are literally so sickening. And I really like the minis because when you're on the go, you know, you got a cute little clutch or cute little purse, you just throw these on and they're perfect, you know? So I'm literally just... Look at the nice contrast that gives us. Okay, wait, because this is really a cute little summer moment. Wait, oh my god. Okay, so this is definitely the final look. I'm feeling very summer. I'm feeling the summer fantasy. Like, I'm ready for some fun in the sun. Hopefully we can get to that very soon. But yeah, this is the look that I created using my glitch palette. As you guys can see, that blue is still popping through. She is pushing through the highlight. She is pushing through the yellow. She said, girl, the blue is here. It's definitely a statement, and it's definitely a moment. So if you guys like this look, girl, go ahead and get your glitch palette because all the other colors are equally as pigmented, so we are living for her. That is all that I have for you guys today. As always, girl, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to Ofra's channel right there, girl. Just subscribe. And as always, thank you so much to Ofra for having me, and I will see you girly soon. Bye, mis amores. Okay, but this blue, I'm not over her. Like, the blue and the yellow and just... Oh, she's cute. She's cute.